Good morning. Well, how to file Iowa quarterly withholding tax return. I'm going to use Iowa as an example, but if you need to file withholding tax return with your state, it might give you an idea what to expect. But keep in mind that your state might have a different layout for their website. So for Iowa, or for even for your state, you could just go on Google and type your state's tax, and that will pull your state Department of Revenue, and you could just click on it to access their website. For Iowa is tax.iowa.gov, and on the Iowa website you will click on efile and pay. Next, you will click on access efile and pay. It will show you a page, and you will be required to enter your business efile number. So you have two options: business taxes, business, and then individual income, corporation income, consumer use, no permit, e-payments. So the first section, business taxes, you'll check business taxes, withholding, sales, use, exercise, LPG, fuel, and motor fuel. So you'll check that box, business taxes, under business taxes, and you enter your business e-file number, and that number is a permit number you got from your state, and I believe the true wording on that is business e-file and pay permit number, but I can look at your business e-file and pay number, BEN. So make sure you keep good record of the permits numbers you got from your state and use the right number on the right form. So you enter the BEN number and you click on continue, and at the bottom it will prompt you to a page to log in. So your business e-file number will be displayed, your legal business name will be displayed as well. You just have to enter your business ID number and the password. Then you click continue. You'll be shown a page where you have multiple sessions. The first session, select a tax type to file a return and make payment. You will select withholding. No, not select, but you will click on withholding. And you'll be asked to enter your permit number, and you'll put your permit number and you'll click on continue. And the next page will be withholding menu. So you have the option, if you are required to file annual report, then that's what you will check. But for our case is quarterly return. So we are filing quarterly withholding tax return for the previous year's last quarter, ending December 31st, 2020. It is due by January 31st. So we file a return for October 1st to December 31st, 2020, quarterly return. There is an arrow there. If you check it, you'll be able to select the right quarter you wanted to file for. So every quarter, at the end of every quarter, a quarterly withholding tax return needs to be filed for that quarter, but is due by the last day of the month after the end of that quarter. I don't know if it makes sense. So the fourth quarter, October 1st to December 31st, the quarterly withholding tax return for that quarter is due by January 31st. So you'll click continue after you check file a return for that quarter. You click continue. You'll be prompted to a page withholding quarterly return. So you will enter your number on line 2 and line 1 and line 2. So total tax withheld this quarter. In our case, it's 0, so we just enter 0. And they say to round all numbers to the nearest dollars. Do not enter cents and do not use punctuation. So we just enter 0. Line 2, less monthly deposit. So if you make deposit, you will put it on line 2. But we didn't make any, so we just put 0. You don't do anything else for the other lines. You just click calculate and it will calculate for the others. So complete line 1 and 2 below. When finished, click calculate, then continue. So we click continue, and so yeah, pretty much we put 0 0 and we click continue. So when we did that, you'll notice that the others are still 0 0, and we'll click continue. Withholding verify quarterly return. So it'll show you this while your return for you to verify. So if you agree with the total line 1, the total tax withheld for this quarter, which is $0, less deposit, which is $0, less credit, which is $0, balance due, $0, penalty, $0, interest, $0, total amount due, $0. And for period October 1st to December 31st of 2020, date due February 1st, 2021. So you could either edit, save, and finish later, or submit. So once we agree with the entry, so you'll notice that everything is 0 for us, but we file it. If you are required to file state withholding tax return, you have to file it, even if your numbers are $0, and you need to file it on time. And the type of tax return for the state you have to file will depend on what kind of permit you ask them, once you receive your EIN from IRS, you'll go to your state website, and depending on the permit you requested and questions, how you answer the questions will determine what kind of permits they will send to you and what kind of tax return they will ask you to file, and how often you should file them throughout the year. And once we agree with everything, we can just click on submit. So it will give us a confirmation page and a confirmation number and a summary of what the form we just the tax return we just filed, and you can either print, email, or exit. And it's good to, you can print so that you can save. Like if you click on print, the way it'll show up, you can just save it if your computer gives you that option. Or you could email it as well to your business email address, and it will just say that a confirmation has been sent. So a confirmation page has been sent to the email address on file. You should receive it shortly, and pretty much they have those. And then you could just click on exit. Thank you so much for watching our videos. That's how you e-file Iowa quarterly withholding tax return for your business. And if you live in a state other than Iowa, you could check their website. If you are required to file withholding tax return with your state, you could check their website, and having the way Iowa website is structured, you might have an idea what to look for on your state Department of Revenue's website to see how you'll be able to e-file your withholding tax return with your state. we do have a video on how to e-file W2 and W3 with your state or with Iowa. If you are required to file W2 and W3 with your state, you might find some information useful as well. So we'll have a podcast and a video and an article of how to file Iowa quarterly withholding tax return, and you could either use the audio version if you want to listen to it while you are filing, or watch the video if you want to watch the process. And if you want to read the steps, it will be on our blog ninassoap.com, and probably with an image gallery of the different steps as well. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you all that watch our podcast. Thank you all that watch our videos, and thank you all that read our blog. Thank you all that subscribe to our channel, and thank you for all your comments. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Lebanon Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, Lebanon Consulting L.L.C podcast, ninassoap.com our blog, and we do have online stores including natural product store ninassoap.com, custom apparel store liberlabel.com, resale store liberoutlet.com, and digital product store liberdownload.com. If you are confused about the different taxes you need to file for your business, we will have a PDF version of all the business taxes to file and business taxes due in January. We will have a short version and a long version with more detailed information. If that's something you are interested to help yourself remember the different type of business taxes you need to file and when you should file them, you'll be able to find them at liberdownload.com. And we have a video on the business taxes due in January. You should be able to watch that as well, and I believe it's in the playlist how to file my 2020 taxes or something similar, or how to file taxes for 2020 playlist. Thank you so much for your time.